Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you the cutest place ever. We are in an alpaca farm. Let's go to have alpacas therapy together. This is an alpaca, not a camel, not a mini sheep. It's actually alpaca. They have two goals in life: to chew and look cute. And they actually nailed with the second one. Split happens, but they mostly split with each other when they have arguments. So you must save.
Alpacas are super social. They live in herds and hate being alone. That's why they always stick close to each other and even to you.
Here on this place, you can also take alpaca for a walking. It's not only about animals, it's also about therapy.
They say animals feel your energy, and those fluffy ones definitely do. They bring peace, smiles, and sometimes they steal your heart.
Alpaca's wool is softer than cashmere and totally hypoallergenic. Now we will check in Google historical facts about our little friends. And first fact, alpacas were domestic over 6,000 years ago. People in the Andes Mountains, now it's Peru, Bolivia, Chile, keep them there soft, warm and wool. They were called the gold of Andes. In the Inca Empire, only royals can wear alpaca's wool. It's super special and valuable. We are tired after walk, so I will tell you that it was a great experience with alpacas. Come here with your loved one and have a great alpacas therapy time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.